What is going on, everybody? Derek here from DW Designs, and as you can tell in the thumbnail, welcome to the new home of DW Designs. So I'm going to be showing you guys around the shop that I got now. It is small, but we're going to make it work for the room that we have. And this shop is also at my house here in Tennessee. So we also got a home, so I'm extremely excited about that. So let's get to showing you guys around in the shop. All right, so this room everything is not perfectly in place yet. It's still a mess, but we'll work with it. So let's start with up here by the front. We have the air compressor, the bandsaw, all the jacks, stands hanging on the wall there. This shelf is gonna go here soon. Got my press over there, my bender and my notcher, which aren't mounted to the concrete yet. My finger brake, planishing hammer, English wheel, mobile welding table, my motor for my Suzuki, my oxy-settling torch. So we pretty much got everything that we had in California here inside this little shop. Got my welder, all the clamps are on the floor, and my welding bench. Got the hoods and helmets hanging up on the wall there. Also 3D printed some hammer mounts to hold the hammers, and 3D printed this nice mount to hold my planishing hammer dies. And these guys just snap in and out just like that. And then obviously the English wheel dies are on the other side. Alright, so we're going to take you guys into the other room here. So this is the little hallway that takes you into the other half of the shop. Nothing super fancy. Got a few things here in the way. Managed to fit both toolboxes in here, which is really nice, which helps save on space. Got our little trusty old Harbor Freight bench top here to work on. I got a 3D printer, guys, since I moved here, and I'm 3D printing a mount to hold my GoPro on the tripod that I got. And you guys are familiar with this. This is the bead roller. Got that in here. The trash can doesn't normally belong in here, but I've been doing some cleaning up and whatnot. Got the shelving here for the parts that I sell that I did in my last video. That was also shot in here, that video was. Got my bike set up here so that way I can exercise on virtual riding experiences. If you guys don't know what that is, so there's a company called Zwift that makes it so I can ride my bike basically in virtual reality with other people. It's actually pretty cool. So that's the other half of the shop. Now I don't plan on doing much with this. This is pretty much going to stay the same. I'm probably not going to tear the wall down and expand it because I actually kind of like having a nice side of the shop. It really makes it helpful for keeping things clean, like the 3D printer, the bead roller. It doesn't need to get dirty, and my guitars, and so on and so forth. So we'll go ahead and take you outside here. This is a little bit of a mess too, but I'll show it to you guys anyway. So we got my pressure washer and such here, and then I got my chemical cabinet, which I'm also working on organizing for paint and acetone and all that fun stuff. And I also got a little puppy. Her name is Skylar. I've had her for almost a year now, so she's a good dog. And then this is our backyard over here. Nice big backyard. We're sitting on about an acre of land. Got a big wood pile there that needs to be burnt, and along with all this other stuff here along the fence line. Eventually that playground's going to come down as well and be burnt also because it's no longer structurally safe, and we don't have kids at the moment, so we don't really need that. So guys, that's what you guys have to look forward to. This is my new shop. and we're definitely looking forward to doing some cool projects out of this shop, and we'll keep you guys in the loop, so stay tuned for more. See you guys later.